Hello guys, welcome back again. My name is Trust Stanley from TikTok. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set your data limit. Alright, what it does is just to set your data limit to a particular data limit. For instance, you set it to 2 gig. Once the data limit is up to 2 gig, it's going to automatically off your data, but it's going to notify you before offing your data. So once it offs your data, it will notify you, and then you are now preferred to either increase it or just to leave it set. Actually, this option is good when you are trying to add some parental control to your children's mobile device and how they use your data. Alright, if you're interested in doing this, which actually many wouldn't want to, just go to your settings, then go to your mobile data usage or data usage, click on it. Then you will notice the second option that says set mobile data limit, and then mobile data will turn off when the specific limit is reached. So go ahead and turn this on. And turn it on, you'll notice this other purple icon, purple line here. This purple line is actually the limit. So if you want the limit to be probably 3 gig, or let me say 2 gig, so once it's on 2 gig, it's going to notify you or pause your data, and then it will go off automatically by itself. There is no other way about this. This is the only way you can do this. So if you're interested in using this, go ahead and use it. But if you turn it off, you notice it only have one line, which is actually the black line, showing you how many data that you use from today. Actually set that option. But then you know that for you to make use of this option, just go ahead and set it. So once you're done setting to the specific limit you want, just go ahead and navigate back, and it automatically saves and takes effect. So whenever the data limit has reached, it's going to cut you off and then stop browsing. So you should also remember to check whenever your browser stops, so in order not to get surprised what's happening to your data. So you should notice your notification icon is going to show you a notification that you've actually reached the limit, and then your browser actually stopped automatically. So you should set this back on again whenever you like. Alright, thanks again for watching this tutorial. My name is Trust Stanley. Make sure you like and subscribe to get more videos from me. Alright, thank you.